The Lost Key and the Secret Door. Once upon a time, in a quiet little town, there was a boy named Sam. Sam loved adventures, but he never thought his biggest adventure would happen so close to home. One sunny afternoon, Sam was playing in his backyard when he noticed something shiny buried in the ground. He dug it up and found an old, rusty key. What could this unlock? Sam wondered. He looked around, but nothing seemed like it needed a key. That night, Sam couldn't stop thinking about the key. As he was falling asleep, he remembered a strange, small door in the attic. It was a door he had never been able to open before. The next day, Sam rushed to the attic with the key in his hand. He slid the key into the lock. Click. The door creaked open, and Sam's heart raced with excitement. Behind the door was a long, dark tunnel. Sam knew he had to go inside. He grabbed a flashlight and started walking. As he walked deeper into the tunnel, he found strange writings on the walls and drawings of places he had never seen before. The tunnel seemed to go on forever, until finally, Sam reached another door. This one was much larger, and it had beautiful carvings all over it. Sam turned the key again, and the door slowly opened. Inside was a magical garden full of bright flowers, sparkling water, and colorful birds. In the center of the garden stood an old man, smiling warmly at Sam. "Welcome, Sam," the old man said. "This is a place of learning, a place where you will discover the lessons of life." Sam was curious. "What lessons?" he asked. The old man pointed to a large book resting on a stone table. In this book are stories from all over the world. Stories that will teach you about kindness, bravery, patience, and love. Sam opened the book, and as he read the first page, the words seemed to come to life. He found himself in a new world, living through the story, learning important lessons through every adventure. From that day on, Sam visited the magical garden every time he wanted to learn something new. He realized that life was full of lessons, just waiting to be discovered, and he was always ready for the next adventure. Closing thoughts. Remember, life is full of mysteries, like Sam's key. The more we explore, the more we learn. Every story has a lesson, and sometimes the biggest adventures are the ones that teach us the most important things.
Thanks for listening. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and share our channel.